Hi, John here. I'm going to give you a little promo on a little video that we have on the website, and I just want to give you a little heads up on it. When this video was first started to be shown to me, I turned away because I didn't want to watch it. But they asked me to finish watching it because it was really quite something remarkable. So I, of course, did, and it's so true. Um, do have a look at this. I want you to see real medicine in action, real work, not just billions of dollars going we don't know where, but real doctors making real chances and real life and death decisions when it may not even seem that there was a chance. So this is real science working, and also in here, because it is the kind of a film that it is, I want you to be able to see, as we talk about so many times, about how good and bad have to be working together sometimes to create what is. So watch this kind of tear-jerking bit of video with a wonderful little girl and some brave doctors. Please have a look at it. Something will come of it inside of you, I'm sure.